Good day. My name is Melodiano Campo, and I'm an environmental scientist and an assistant professor. Join me in a series of videos that focus on port ecology and marine environmental science. Today, I introduce a marine biofouling species that has been found in the port of Davao, Davao Gulf, Philippines. This is the documentation of this species, the first report of its presence in the Philippines, and this species is a bivalve, Arquatula senhausia. So the Philippines, as an archipelago, has numerous ports that service the transfer of people and goods locally and internationally. These ports are parts of coastlines that are altered to fit the basic function of ports, and that is to berth and anchor ships. As such, ports are susceptible to biological invasions. A biological invasion or bioinvasion is the rapid spread of a species outside its native range, where it establishes and causes ecological and economic effects. This is a pressing environmental concern in the marine environment in the Philippines. Ports are susceptible to bioinvasions because of the presence of structures that can accommodate non-indigenous species, the presence of anthropogenic activities that further alter the physical nature of ports, and the arrival of ships that actually carry adult or larval fowlers in their hulls or in their ballast water. The Portec project in the Philippines is studying 8 ports with the use of Pisces collectors that are tied to railings in the port and submerged and then retrieved after 60 days. Upon retrieval, petri dishes that are attached to the collectors are collected and the fowlers there are gathered. The fowlers are identified morphologically, and those that are difficult to identify morphologically are DNA barcoded. An inventory of indigenous and non-indigenous species is being generated. The table on the right shows the different non-indigenous species that have been identified. Highlighted is this species, which is a first in any port study in the Philippines. So we have here Arquatula senhausia, detected in one of the ports, the port of Davao, which is located at Davao Gulf. Now, Arquatula senhausia is originally found in Siberia to Singapore in the Western Pacific, and it includes Japan, Korea, China, and parts of Indochina. The characteristics that it has that makes it a successful invader is that it has high fecundity, high dispersal capability, fast growth rate, tolerance to a wide range of environmental conditions. For example, it can live in temperatures from 17 to 27 degrees Celsius and in uh, salinities from 17 to 37 ppt. It can also release, the females can release hundreds of thousands of eggs. And once settled, the individuals can mature within 9 months and adapting the reproductive cycle to new conditions. Now, the countries that have been invaded by the species include the Pacific coast of North America, Australia, New Zealand, the Mediterranean, the Suez Canal, the Red Sea, Madagascar, Mauritius, and even in Europe, in uh, France, and in the south coast of England. So there are these characteristics point that this organism can also be potentially invasive as the ranges of temperature and salinity that is found in the areas where it invaded is the same as that of the port of Davao and in other ports in the Philippines. So the species, again, is potentially invasive. Hence, it is important that we monitor their abundance and we study also their interactions with other bivalve species that are indigenous and also non-indigenous. So there are other species which are non-indigenous that are present in the Philippine waters, and we'll be talking about them in the next series. I hope you learned something new today, and I hope we keep our efforts in saving the Philippine waters and making it sustainable.